All new at 9, today's U.S. Supreme Court ruling on a Texas immigration law may have a ripple effect in Missouri. Fox News' Andy Banker shows us there's already a new proposal here to arrest and deport.
We keep hearing the top election issue of 2024 is the migrant crisis at the U.S. border with Mexico, and not just for the border states. Now, a Republican candidate for the state Senate in Missouri has a plan that essentially comes down to this: jail first, ask questions later.
I'm David Gregory. I went to the border.
Former West County Republican state rep turned state Senate candidate David Gregory went to the Arizona-Mexico border. He now has a plan to arrest and deport those who cross illegally and end up in Missouri.
Let's do this right to protect our people, because immigration is good. Illegal immigration is bad.
His proposal creates the offense of trespass by an illegal alien, which carries a life sentence meant to force federal authorities to deport offenders or the state parole board to release them if they find they are truly seeking asylum.
The amount of illegal immigrants caught at the border that are on the terrorist watch list have gone up 2,500% since Joe Biden took office. That's scary. Terrorism is scary. And so we've got to get strict. We got to get tough.
The U.S. Supreme Court has just allowed Texas to enforce a state arrest and deport law until a federal appeals court decides whether it's constitutional. Immigration law is historically a federal matter. Gregory's plan also calls for illegal crossers to be forever disqualified from living, voting, or driving in Missouri.
My approach is...
Gregory's fellow Republican candidate, Wildwood Mayor Jim Bolin, has a 5-point immigration plan that he says may not grab headlines, but includes arrest and detain and won't lead to costly legal battles.
The attention-grabbing headlines are going to get even more attention-grabbing when the voters of this district and the state find out that we wasted their money on grandstanding. We need a plan that is a cogent, legal, and enforceable plan that we know will produce results.
Both candidates say their plans only apply to adults who willfully cross the border and then come to Missouri. Andy Banker, Fox 2 News.